Good morning, students. How are you all? Think all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear students, today, we will discuss about a new topic, that is algebra. Before starting class, welcome to you in my math class, I would like to say. And one thing, you see, before coming here, you have to have math book, CW, and other things, because you have to do, and calculator also. So my dear students, today I am going to discuss about algebra exercise 5.2 and page number 90. Before starting exercise math, we will do example math. Okay, from example we will do C number, example 8 C, and multiply, and page number is 90. So let's see what is the problem. The problem is multiply 10 x to the power 5 b to the power 4 c z cube by 3x square b square z, and this one will be multiplied by right side algebraic fraction. So my dear, what you have to do, where is written by, there will be multiplication sign, nothing else. See, I have given in the red portion, here is by written, but here will be multiply. After that, see, the numerator I have given the black color, here is also black color, but denominator I have given what? Blue. So what you can see, here is two fractions. So what we will do here, we will cut 10 by what? 2, or we will divide 10 by 2 and 15 by 3. See what we will see here, we will vanish 10 by 2. So what will be remaining? Result will be 5. Have you understood how I have cancelled 10 by 2? Again, this 15 will be cancelled. This 15 will be cancelled by what? 3. See how? 15 will be cancelled by 3. So what will be here? 5. Now, this number 5 and 5, when you will multiply, it will become what? 25. Therefore, I have written 25. Means, in the previous time what I have done here, the number numerical things we have cut. Okay, now again what we can do, now it is time to see the algebraic alphabet. Here is x to the power 5 and here is x cube. X to the power 5 will be divided by x cube. What will be the remaining part? You see, remaining will be x square. Again, here is x y to the power 5 and here is denominator is y square. So after cutting, what will be the result? And result will be 3y cube. And now see, here is b to the power 6, in the denominator b square, and after dividing, result will be b to the power 4. My dear, see, b to the power 6 will be cancelled by b square, result is b to the power 4. Okay, now come to the another number, that is z to the power 5 will be divided by 1z, means what is the power of z? 1. So after dividing z to the power 5 by z, it becomes z to the power 4. My dear students, I think up to this there is no remaining alphabet and number for dividing. Okay, now what we can see in the numerator, we can see 25 x square y cube b to the power 4 z to the power 4, and denominator will be a square. See, our result is 25 x square y cube b to the power 4 z to the power 4 by a square. This is our required product. My dear student, I think all of you understood. And after that, what you have to do? I have few question for you, but now you will do right now. Which one? C number, page number 90. And also exercise 5.2 you will do 13 AB from exercise 5.2. How many maths I have given? Right now you have to do 3 maths. One is from example and another 2 maths from exercise 5.2, 13 AB. These are multiplication and I have shown you one multiplication. I think all of you have understood. Okay, now do, and after doing maths you must give a photo to me. Okay, thank you.